name is Winnie. I'm a digital media artist and a student at the University of Hertfordshire. I studied digital media art for 5 years now and will continue to develop the skills in this area. All the components of digital media art have significant meaning for me. Digital is the method defined. I love the way working with computers. Use software to make models, videos, and interesting interaction is what I did. Media is the message. I like to explore different media to create marvelous experience for audience. I make augmented reality, web design, project mapping. This year, I studied how to use sensors to make computer to understand human even better. Art is the part that make my work to express my own feelings and let others to experience them. This project, Cats in the Woods, is a set of interactive installations. It's all from my love to cat. The cat is a kind of species that has been given many metaphors by humans, from God to demon. My work makes use of the mysterious and quiet character of cat. It is designed to place at a wooded area. Several life-size glowing cats with different posture will lead you walk deeper in the woods. The light will breathe by your approaching. At the end of the path, a giant cat will be seen. Gorgeous light and shapes on its body. You will feel the magnificence of this species. It will be hard to forget the delicate cats and the spectacular experience with light.